Dear students, today we will see the minimization of Boolean expression. We have already learned many theorems. Today we will apply that theorems in order to minimize or reduce the Boolean expression. We have seen certain gates also. Any Boolean expression can be realized by using the gates that so far we have studied. I am repeating, any function can be realized by connecting different gates that's available, or we can say by different gates. For example, I am having an equation, let y is equal to ab plus a bar b. Okay, this is an expression. I can draw a circuit by using the gates in order to realize the expression. For example, a b, two inputs a and b, and the operation is an AND operation. A b is an AND operation. So I can write simply like there is an input, another input. This is a, this is b. Then I am having an AND operation, and the output of this is ab. So first term is realized. Second term is a bar b. A bar b. Okay. So I can take a connection from here. Okay. And coming like this, give a NOT gate, take an input. Another is you can take another connection from B. Okay. Use another AND gate and take this. So this is nothing but a bar b. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to connect these two inputs to an OR gate, so that you will be getting the output y is equal to ab plus ab plus a bar b. ab plus a bar. So how many gates you have to use? Here I have used 4 gates, isn't it? 2 AND gates, 1 NOT gate and 1 OR gate. But you look into the equation. Here comes the minimization. Okay, y is equal to ab plus a bar b. So here this is nothing but, okay, I can arrange the terms. Since b is common, b into a plus a bar, b into a plus a bar, which is equal to what is a plus a bar. We know from the laws or from the fundamental equations, a plus a bar is equal to 1. So this is the answer is b only. Okay, so the output of this equation or the term y is equal to ab plus ab bar can be reduced into a single input, that is ab. An input b, the output is nothing but an input b in this case. Okay, so we don't need any gates in order to realize the equation ab plus a bar b, because it can be simply reduced into b, and you need just a line b. Even the input line a itself is not required. You need only a b, a line b, which is the output of the equation. We will see another example. Okay, y is equal to ab plus ab bar plus a bar b plus a bar b bar. Okay, so how you have to realize this? You need a gate, AND gate a for ab, another for ab bar, another for A bar B, another for A bar B bar. Actually you need gates, then NOT gates are needed, OR gates are needed, then you will be getting a very complicated circuit. We will try to draw this. Okay, we have A, we have B. So there is one input that is called AB. This is A, this is B. Okay, then you have another. Okay, this is B bar, this is A bar. Okay, A bar, B bar. Okay, so this you can connect. This is, so I got A bar, B bar. One term I have obtained. Then AB another term. This is AB. Then A bar B. Okay, so you take a connection from here. A bar. Then B is from here. So this is A bar B. Then from where you can take AB bar, take a connection from here. So this is A, this is again A. So A, then B bar, take a connection from here. B bar, A, B bar. Okay, these gates are AND gates only. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs. Okay, so these 4 inputs I have to connect to a 4 input OR gate, and you will be getting the output Y. Okay, it will add AB, A bar B bar, A bar B and AB bar. Okay, but actually what is this Y? So this is in the unreduced form, or simply you are writing the equations and making the circuit, you will be getting a complicated circuit. You need 4 AND gates, 1 OR gate and 2 NOR gates. But actually look into this, AB into AB bar plus A bar B into A bar B bar. Okay, so take the first 2 terms, A into B plus B bar, plus then A bar into B plus B bar, taking 2 terms together. So this is nothing but A into 1 plus, because B plus B bar is 1, A plus A bar. Okay, so what is the value? This is equal to 1. So what is the equation? Y is equal to 1. So you need a single line, okay, that is having input always 1, a positive voltage signal or a 1 signal is enough. This is the circuit, no need of any gates, and you can realize this. So what I want to say is that when you are getting an equation, you can apply many laws, many theorems of the Boolean algebra, and you can reduce into the minimum term. Instead of directly doing the steps, or instead of directly connecting the gates, try for maximum reduction. After reduction, what you are getting, you will then just try to realize it using the minimum number of gates. So these are certain little examples how we can reduce the gates. Let us try another equation. We want to reduce. Y is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, 3 variables are there, plus A bar, B, C bar, plus A, B bar, C bar, plus A bar, sorry, A B C bar plus A B C bar A B C bar. So three variables are there and four equations are there. If I want to realize this by using gates, it's easy. Only the thing is you have to use different gates. Okay, you can see for 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So 4 3 input AND gates are needed, then some NOT gates are needed as well as OR gates are needed. But we will try whether we can make a simpler terms on this, okay, by applying the basic Boolean theorems. Okay, so you will see now. First two terms, since A bar C bar is common, I can take like this. A bar A bar C bar is common into B plus B bar plus here A C bar is common. Okay, just have a look, you can see like this. Then B plus B bar, B plus B bar, this is B. B plus B bar. Okay, so this is nothing but since B plus B bar is equal to 1, I can write as A bar C bar plus A C bar. Again it is nothing but C bar into A plus A bar, A plus A bar, which is equal to C bar, as A plus A bar is equal to 1. So we have reduced it into a very minimal term, so that I got Y is equal to C bar, which can be realized like this. I have a NOT gate, a single NOT gate is enough. You give an input C and output, you will be getting C bar. So no need of any other gates, OR gates or AND gates, nothing is needed. You just need a NOT gate.